Rosie here. Ian Finnegan. Well, these are the flowers I was talking about keeping. Yeah. Not much of them, but just this area. All that's mowed, except for the fire pit. All mowed. It's this bit to do. My lawn. Get her done. Hey, Finn. Hey, buddy. And the rose bushes are coming out. Smells beautiful. Now that's what a woman should smell like. That right there. Rose for a rose. That's why they call me Rosie. My last name's Rose. Makes sense, right? All right, we'll leave you at that and talk to you later. Keep your stick on the ice.